This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious lemonade quickly and easily. First, gather your ingredients: fresh lemons, granulated sugar, and cold water. You'll also need a pitcher and a lemon juicer. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable, ensuring a perfect batch every time. Now, let's get that fresh lemon juice. Roll your lemons firmly on a countertop before cutting them in half. This helps release more juice. Then, use a citrus juicer to extract all the liquid. For a standard pitcher, you'll typically need about 1 cup of fresh lemon juice, which is usually 4 to 6 medium lemons. Next, we'll create a simple syrup to ensure your lemonade is perfectly sweet. In a separate bowl, combine 1 cup of granulated sugar with 1 cup of hot water. Stir continuously until the sugar is completely dissolved. This step prevents grainy lemonade and helps the sweetness blend seamlessly with the tart lemon juice. Finally, it's time to bring it all together. Pour your fresh lemon juice and the simple syrup into a large pitcher. Add 3 cups of cold water and stir thoroughly to combine all the ingredients. Taste and adjust sweetness if needed. Serve your refreshing homemade lemonade over ice with a few lemon slices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.